Hello, and welcome to Ms. Cohen's Balanced Literacy unit. This unit focuses on the theme of celebrating our differences, and it takes a balanced approach to support emergent readers. It is meant to align with the 2020 New Jersey Student Learning Standards Social Studies 6.1, U.S. History, America and the World by the end of Grade 2. The specific standard is Civics, Government and Human Rights, Civic Mindedness, which says, explain how diversity, tolerance, fairness, and respect for others can contribute to individuals feeling accepted. I chose this unit because it is up to us as educators to teach children tolerance from a very young age. In my classroom, we will embrace diversity, culture, and differences. The literature included in this unit is meant to point out and celebrate our differences. It is meant to expose children to relevant topics and stimulate conversation. A core strategy that will be taught in this unit is how to identify similarities and differences between people and then embrace and celebrate those key differences. A core literacy strategy that will be taught is how to set a purpose for reading. The next page on this e-unit is related literature. When I was planning this e-unit, I took into consideration the diverse learners that I would encounter in my classrooms. Each student is going to require me to be creative and think critically about how best to meet their needs through varying instructional approaches. Some personal, cultural, and community qualities can be assets to learning. This unit capitalizes on those assets by identifying them and celebrating them. Books in this related literature page focus on a range of topics, including neurodiversity, different nationalities and ethnicities, different types of family makeups, physical differences, cultural differences, gender and sexuality differences, people with varying physical abilities, and even how skin color can change the way you live your life. Some of these books are on grade level for this unit, others go a little bit above, a little bit below, so you're prepared for any type of learner in your classroom. The next page on my unit is the shared reading plan. This emergent literacy unit supports early readers in a number of ways. For example, the shared reading plan focuses on The Family Book by Todd Parr, which utilizes repeated phrases and descriptive text. The words are simple and repetitive. This book is perfect for a shared reading plan because it can be easily integrated into a variety of lessons. This plan does a great job of getting the message across that there are different families, and that is perfectly okay. It is designed to encourage early literacy, enhance emotional development, celebrate multiculturalism, promote character growth, and strengthen family relationships. The book takes the more serious topic of diverse family structures and makes it lighthearted, understandable, and reassuring. This shared reading plan takes you through key aspects, including focusing on alphabet knowledge, focusing on phonological or phonemic awareness. It also focuses on sight words and analogizing words. It also takes a focus on phonics. I provided different activities to focus on each of these aspects. This unit also has a guided reading plan. I chose the book Same But Different by Jenny Sue Kostecki Shaw. This emergent unit is appropriate for the whole class. It is designed with the universal design for learning in mind. So the activities, shared reading plan, guided reading plan, and related literature were all picked with every type of learner in mind. This unit is meant to be adjustable for every student with any specific learning need that you can imagine. This specific guided reading plan focuses on the objective that students will be able to read and discuss narrative text and engage in the discussion of key concepts and vocabulary. They will develop a Venn diagram and develop a pen pal style journal entry to demonstrate their comprehension of the book. The next part of this unit that I created is my ebook. So the ebook I generated, I will read it to you right now. It is called Cassie and Cole Star-Crossed Lovers. Cassie sits in her window. Cole sits in his too. Though they are apart, they know their love to be true. So here's Cassie, and here's Cole over here. They met one fateful day while visiting the vet. Ever since that fated moment, they have been unable to forget. The way Cassie twitched her whiskers, the way Cole slow blinked his eyes. Was it love at first sight? No, but rather love at first goodbye. As Cassie was coming in, Cole was walking out. All they know for sure is that they are in love, no doubt. Cassie lays by the fire, Cole sits in the grass. Though they may be apart right now, they know their love can last. The end. So that emergent literacy ebook, I created it with a couple key concepts in mind, such as repetition and rhyming. And this is my Balanced Literacy e-unit. I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you.